deep pile carpets that are simply heavenly to step in. Created just for you. Didee Mats as a company is driven by a passionate group of artisans who produce inventive rugs, mats and wall hangings. Their creative flair is evident in each handcrafted, custom-made product to suit every discerning customer. Like most creative production processes, the artist begins by designing the rugs. A nature-loving customer required a zebra hide design, and the artist uses photographs to inspire a lifelike pattern. Next, the pattern is transferred to a synthetic grid which is used as the base for the rug. The artist uses the sketch and photographs to guide the larger design. A permanent marker is used to draw the pattern on the grid. A customer required a matching rug set for their shower curtain, and so the circular patterns are created using a stencil. Various round tools are used to trace precise circles on the grid. Where the pattern requires multiple colors, the artist selects the color palette and assigns a color to each design element on the rug. For toilet rugs which require a specific shape, the pattern is drawn onto the grid first. Then the bowl section is marked using a stencil and cut out. This creates the illusion of a complete pattern under the toilet bowl. The process requires short sections of thread, and so the worker loops the yarn around a wooden tool and with sharp scissors cuts along the edge. Wooden tools of different sizes are used to prepare short threads of different lengths. These threads are collected, ready for sewing. Using a special tool known as a latch hook, the artist begins to knot the thread along the grid. A single thread is folded in two, and the latch hook passed through the center of the loop. The end of the latch hook is now passed through a grid box and the ends of the thread placed over the latch. The latch hook is pulled back, forming a knot which is tightened by hand. The same effect can be achieved using a crochet needle. Here the artist draws the folded thread through the grid to form a loop, through which she pulls the two ends and tightens. This is done hundreds and thousands of times to complete the various rugs. The edges of the rug are neatened and strengthened by sewing. The work is done by hand, so not every stitch is perfect. The artist flips the rug upside down and checks to see if there are any empty holes in the grid, which she fills now. Some stitches are incomplete and loose. These are removed and re-stitched. Finally, the surface of the rugs are leveled by cutting any threads that are too long, giving special attention to the edges to achieve an even shape. Didee Mats, your creativity brought home. Made in Kenya.